In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to completely sign out of your Apple ID account on your iPhone. So first things first, open up your Settings app on your device. At the very top, you're going to see your username or Apple ID account. Tap on your name there at the very top. Once you're here, you want to scroll down to the very bottom of this screen until you see the red Sign Out button at the very bottom. If you get an error code that you can't do this because of restrictions, it's as simple as going back over to your settings, go into your screen time settings, and make sure that the content and privacy restrictions, make sure that is turned off, grayed out over to the left. And if you have a screen time passcode, tap on the option that says screen time passcode, go ahead and remove that passcode. And now when you go back to your Apple ID account, scroll to the bottom, you will now be able to tap the red sign out button at the very bottom. The next step is very important. You can either choose to erase the iPhone or sign out and don't erase. If you're trying to sell or upgrade the device, you want to erase this iPhone, and you'll have to turn off Find My iPhone, and it'll prompt you to do so at this point. But if you want to just sign out but don't erase, you just tap on Sign Out but don't erase. Once you've done that, you just follow the prompts, keep hitting continue. It'll say, hey, there may be some data that you lose or whatever. Make sure you say continue anyway. Follow those prompts, log out, go ahead and deactivate Find My iPhone, and it will begin to either erase your iPhone if you chose that option, or it will just completely log you out of your Apple ID account on this device without erasing the data. There'll be a pinned comment down below that'll show all of the frequently asked questions and problems that you could run into, and I'll see you guys in the next video.